And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave choice to every prophet. Every prophet. You want to stay, you can stay. You want to leave, you can leave. When the angel of death showed up in front of Musa alayhi salam, Musa alayhi salam had all these dreams of bringing Bani Israel back to the Holy Land, of establishing his Sharia, of doing all these things. And all he saw from Bani Israel was hardship after hardship, stubbornness after stubbornness. And after all of that, he didn't yet accomplish his mission. He was stranded in the desert, and the angel of death shows up. It's time to go, Ya Nabi of Allah, Ya Rasul of Allah, Ya Kalim Allah. And Musa alayhi salam, he's so upset, he punches the angel of death in the eyes. La ilaha illallah. He's a prophet. You and me, we wouldn't dare. Right? But he attacks the angel of death and he punches him in the eyes. And then the angel of death goes to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ya Allah, you've sent me to a servant of yours who doesn't want to die. He's still got some hopes attached to this dunya. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells the angel of death, go back and inform my servant to rub his hand on the back of an ox. For every hair he touches, I will give him 1 year extra life. Go and give him that offer. And Musa alayhi salam is presented with this offer. Allah is giving you a choice. You want to return to him now? You can return to him now. Or if you want, put your hand on the back of the ox. And for every hair your hand touches, your life will be extended for another year, for another year, for another year. Imagine how many hairs. Just rub your hand. He would still be sitting with us today. Or he would be leading the salah. Musa alayhi salam, he asks, what will happen after all of that? What will happen after all of that? He said, then you will return to Allah. He said, in that case, let me just go now. He's tired. So he said, let me just go now. Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam is on the lap of our mother Aisha radiallahu anha. And he loves her so much. When Amr ibn Aus radiallahu anhu asked, Ya Rasulullah, who do you love the most? He mentioned her name first, Aisha. Who after that, Ya Rasulullah? Abuha, her father. He didn't say Abu Bakr, my friend. He said her father. This is a love story. He was so in love with her, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And he's sick and he's on his deathbed and his head is on her lap and he's resting, alayhi salatu wassalam. And the angel of death comes. Ya Rasulullah, you have a choice. If you want, you can recover and you can stay with your ummah. Or if you want, you can return to Allah, who's a Rafiqul A'la, the highest companion. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, what did he say? Allahumma Rafiqul A'la. Right? When you're presented that choice, of course you're going to choose Allah.